Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our future videos. Today, we are diving into the realm of science fiction and its uncanny ability to predict the future. We have compiled a list of 10 real-life technologies that were once the stuff of science fiction novels and films. Let's get started. Number 1. 3D printing. Once a wild idea in Star Trek's Replicator, 3D printing is now a reality, creating everything from prosthetic limbs to food. Number 2. Virtual reality. Remember The Matrix? Today, VR headsets let us immerse ourselves in digital worlds, changing the gaming and education industries forever. Number 3. Voice assistants. Long before Siri and Alexa, films like 2001: A Space Odyssey introduced us to AI systems that could understand and respond to human speech. Number 4. Self-driving cars. Once a dream in films like Total Recall, autonomous vehicles are now being tested on our roads. Number 5. Drones. Predated by flying cars in Blade Runner, drones are now used for various purposes, from photography to delivery services. Number 6. Holographic displays. Remember Princess Leia's message in Star Wars? Today, we are developing technology for 3D holographic displays. Number 7. Robotics. From the helpful droids in Star Wars to the more menacing Terminators, robots are now part of our industries, homes, and even our social lives. Number 8. Augmented reality. First seen in films like Minority Report, AR is now commonplace, enhancing our world with digital overlays. Number 9. Wearable tech. Remember Rick Tracy's two-way wrist radio? Now, smartwatches and fitness trackers are part of our daily lives. Number 10. Artificial intelligence. Science fiction has long explored the idea of sentient machines, and now AI is a fundamental part of our digital lives. And that's our list. Science fiction has often been a crystal ball, predicting the tech of the future. It's fascinating to see how many of these predictions have become a reality. Let us know in the comments which of these technologies you find most exciting, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep innovating.